Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss chapter circles of exercise 10.1 CBSE pattern. So exercise 10.1 third sum guys. What is given? A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeters meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ equal to 12 centimeters, length PQ is. We are asking to find length. So whatever the given information, draw a figure with circle O, center O guys, and draw a tangent PQ that is perpendicular to OP and join the line OQ. Okay, and given the dimensions of the figure are, see from the figure, from the sum, OP is perpendicular to PQ, and using this forms a triangle, right? OPQ forms a triangle, right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the unknown side. Okay. Therefore, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Substitute the values where PQ is the unknown value. So PQ square equal to 144 minus, that is 12 square minus 5 square. We will get 119. Remove square and it becomes the root to the RHS part. Therefore, PQ equal to 119 centimeters is the length of PQ. So this is the option D guys. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Please subscribe to my channel. For any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.